This is David from expertvillage.com. We're going to be deep frying a turkey today. The one we've selected is about 12.5 pounds. However, you can get as big as your pot will hold with oil. That could be 22 pounds. Generally, a 20-pound turkey would feed about 8 to 10 people generously. This one is a fresh one. However, you can get a frozen one. Make sure it's completely thawed, so that's going to take 3 to 4 days in your refrigerator. We need to know how many pounds this is because typically you will fry this at 3 minutes per pound. So our 12.5 pound turkey will be approximately 40 minutes to cook. Pretty amazing. So we open this up and we'll make sure we get all the giblets out. Always like to keep a pan handy because this will get a little messy. So you can unclip the legs. This one has a wire basket. You just take that out, put that away. Usually the neck will be in the body cavity, like so, and then the giblets will actually be up in the neck area. So don't forget this, really important. You take this bag out. And you can save these for later, maybe make some dressing with that on the side. That's another thing about the deep fried bird. You can't put stuffing in it, and you can't really use it for soup because a lot of the oil goes into the bones and not the meat. So just a little handy hint for you there. Usually then we can take the wrapper off, put it aside. I usually cut the tail off as well. We can also use that with the giblets. This has a lot of loose skin on the front, so we can cut that off like so, and we'll make sure you'll want to rinse the turkey as well, and we'll get